If I had to use one word to describe the training center here at MTU, it would be amazing.
It takes your breath away.
I would use the word inspiring.
It's awesome.
All new from MTU, a powerful advanced product training center for North and Latin America.
If a student comes here, first of all, he walks in a building of over 30,000 square feet with over 30 engines, from the smallest two-cycle engines all the way up to the 8,000, our biggest engine, from the marine all the way to the C&I engine, from the engine control to the ship monitoring system. So we really offer him the whole MTU product spectrum here.
This is a commitment to state-of-the-art capabilities with plenty of room to grow, featuring more classes, expert trainers, and MTU products than ever before. Plus, it's strategically located in Southeast Michigan, near our North American hub.
Detroit has a metropolitan airport that is approximately 50 minutes away from the training center, so it is very, very convenient to get here.
And this facility is all about you and why you train. There's no better teacher than what you experience with MTU products and technologies.
Exhaust gas is flowing through the valve.
You learn from the best product experts. And you achieve what matters most, outside the classroom in the real world.
Remember, the final thing that we need to verify is our torques whenever doing our valve train adjustments, so very important.
The MTU instructors know how to get a point across, and if we're having an issue or a problem understanding what it is they're trying to present, they're going to find a way to make sure that we understand it.
Control is key here. It's like open heart surgery.
As soon as the training center is fully equipped, that means with all the trainers what we plan, we'll be able to do about 2,500 trainees per year.
This training center here is really a world-class facility, and I think it shows a huge commitment that we're really behind service training 100%.
I believe this facility has everything the student wants, and what they do need is updated materials and resources, the tools they need, and the hands-on experience to get that full education.
I think learning here at the training facility, you become an engine guru.
The goal of every class is to ensure that that student is as close to an expert as he could possibly be in 1 week's time.
Yes, it's very valuable and it's worthwhile, and we hope to be back within a year.
You never end training, you always learn.
For more information, visit mtuonline.com and search training.
You guys keeping up over there?
Yeah, I think you got your valve cover on backwards.
Now, who will be the engine Uber expert?
All right.
Good job.